Yo, what up, y'all? Every penny counts. Look, I'm just so excited. I had to make a video about this app right here called Coin Out. It is probably the easiest app in the world as far as receipts go because you're getting paid just to simply take a picture of any receipt. It doesn't matter how much you spent, it doesn't matter how much you paid for it. You're going to get paid for every receipt that you take a picture of. Right now, I did a video on this a couple days ago, and I had like 83 cents. But like the past couple of days, like I've gotten lots of receipts. You know what I'm saying? Like stuff that I bought, stuff that my wife bought, stuff that my friends bought. I kept all those receipts and I took a picture of like every last one of them. And now I want to show you my balance. All right. So I'm going to show you how quickly it jumped up just from a couple days ago. All right. Remember, I had 83 cents. Like you can check the video. I literally had 83 cents. Now look at my balance. I got $3.08. You know what I'm saying? So it went up like over $2 in just a couple days. Just me taking pictures of receipts. I was getting like 5 cents for a receipt, and then it was jumping up. I mean, I had a lot of receipts now, but the thing is, I got paid for every last one of them. That's why I love this app so much. It pays you. I cashed out on this site a while ago. I just did an Amazon gift card for like 48 cents because I mean, usually when I use an app, I want to cash out and make sure it's legit, and it was legit because I got the gift card like the next day for Amazon for 48 cents. It wasn't a lot, but it just showed me proof. So now I'm really stacking up. Like I told you, I had 83 cents a couple days ago. Now I got $3.08. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I was taking pictures of receipts. I was getting like 5 cents here, like 12 cents here, 10 cents here. I mean, it just kept adding up. I had lots of receipts, but every last one of them I got paid for, and my balance continues to grow. So I'm just trying to tell you guys, this is probably the best app as far as like just receipts go, because there's a lot of apps that you take pictures of receipts and they're good apps, but this one, I mean, it doesn't matter what it's for. Take a picture of your receipt. Very, very simple to do. There's no minimum cash out. If you're going to cash out Amazon or any other gift card like that, there is no minimum. If you want to cash out at a penny, do it. You know what I'm saying? But those of you who like to cash out with PayPal, you have to have $10. You know what I'm saying? I know that's kind of tough, but the thing is, like I said, I just jumped up almost, a little bit over $2 in a couple days. So it doesn't take that long. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this app. Sign up with my link in the description. That way you can get the bonuses that I'm getting, because I actually signed up under somebody and I'm getting paid like, 5, 10, 12 cents per receipt. And you know what I'm saying? These are receipts for like, gas stations and fast food places and, just going to Walmart. I got a couple receipts that were like mom and pop places, and I got like 8 cents for one, and I think like 11 cents for another one. So it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't matter where you go. If it's a receipt, take a picture of it. Wherever you go, if they say, do you want your receipt? Say yes. Take a picture of it and get paid with this app. You know what I'm saying? $3.08 is my balance right now. I want you guys to download this app today. And and the thing about it is, when you sign up under somebody, like I'm telling you to sign up under me, it is not to, just so I can tell you lies. I'm telling you the truth. When you sign up under somebody, they will pay you more per receipt, because I have somebody that introduced the app to me, and they didn't sign up under anybody, but they're not using the app anymore because they're finding they're only getting like 1 cent or 2 cents per receipt. But I signed up under him, and I'm getting like 5 to 10 cents. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting like, I haven't gotten a penny for a receipt in a very long time. Like I think when I first started, like my probably like 3 receipts were like a penny, but all the rest of them since then have been big money. You know what I'm saying? So all you're doing is just push and scan with a receipt. It'll take like 1 or 2 seconds for it to complete, and it'll show you how much they put in your account. Very, very simple to do. I mean, a 3-year-old can use this app effectively. That's how good it is. That's how easy it is. So I want you to download this app today. Remember, when you sign up under somebody, you're going to be able to make money. You're going to be able to make more money per receipt. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm making, way more than a penny per receipt. You can do the same. You sign up under somebody. So click on the link in the description. Use this app on your phone. Use it on your tablet. Whatever you got to, use to take pictures of the receipt that you get. And just start making money for every single receipt that you have. If you see old receipts laying around, take a picture of them real quick. If you get, you go to the store, you get a receipt, take a picture. You know what I'm saying? Just always remember, Get paid for every single receipt and you will watch your balance grow. I'm showing you proof that I jumped up over $2 in a couple of days. So you can make about $1 a day, you know, with this app, or even more, just depending on how many receipts you get. You know what I'm saying? So go just find receipts, collect receipts, take pictures of them, do what you got to do. But this is a must-have app. Sign up under me today. Sign up with the link in the description and start getting paid. Just that simple. All right. Remember, every penny counts.